Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes. How many of you came with the preparation? Group में किन किन बच्चों ने how many of you dropped a message on a group to speak on the topic about debate? Turn on the camera. Yes, Ruqayya, what was your topic? Invite Ruqayya.
Sir, I want to share about my journey with this class.
Oh, you want to share. Okay, you please then wait a moment. I will invite you. Razia, please.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. What was the topic?
City life, sir.
City life. Is there anyone who can debate with Razia Sultana in the favor of village life? Hina, invite Hina.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Okay. You have 5 to 10 minutes to debate with each other in English. Okay, first Razia, you claim.
Sure.
No, sir, I want to start from Hina.
Oh.
Then I'll start.
Okay.
Hina will start.
Nowadays, village.
Okay.
What, sir?
Okay, Hina, you please ready.
Nowadays, village is not like a village. It's all become city. It has everything like how a city has. Grocery stores, like in app, everything is there where you can use everything like cities. And there is mall. Right now, there are everything that city has, and there is nature's life and friends, family, where we can meet, we can laugh, we can play together, and we can have family time. There are many. I can't explain, sir. Sorry.
In front of Razia, you are not able to explain, huh?
No, sir. I'm getting nervous.
Okay.
No, okay, I can. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Respected judge, my friend, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I strongly believe that city is more effective. City are the engine of growth, develop, and education. There are provide colleges, schools, and universities, and job and opportunities. In a city, one can achieve dreams, right? Achieve dreams and growth financially, and enjoy modern life facilities like transportation, technology, and entertainment. Yeah, I'm completely agree with you that village is maybe peaceful, but without proper infrastructure and opportunities, people cannot progress, right? Development and success come from the city, and offer the education facilities and healthcare, and more than jobs and opportunities is the main thing. Job and opportunities, and otherwise cities availabilities of modern facilities, like modern education, and they are provided the career of exposure and advancement that villages lack. What is your opinion on this point?
Yeah, you
Please
are
tell
right,
me.
but it's not about the facilities. We have facilities in our village also. We can do business. We can do many things in our village. It's not about we can do financial. I know there are some problem with the financial in village, but There are many facilities. There are also new colleges, new schools, new street, and many things more. Nowadays,
Yeah.
it's not village like old time village. It's have everything like we need. We need to go somewhere. We can do Ola. Everything there right now in village. And in village we have also hospitals near you, near your house, and there are many schools, university, medical colleges, and many more.
Yeah, I agree with you, but my dear, I don't think so. Village is more effective more than cities. Yeah, villages there are more. I don't think there are villages there are malls and effective hospitals. Yeah, right now. So what do you think?
Right, but
Village, yeah, tell me.
no, you say first.
I don't think so. Villages are they are more effective malls and hospitals. I don't believe that.
Yeah, there is right now. There are many malls. There are many hospitals which can help anytime, every time, 24/7. There are open, and there are many medical store where we can get everything like how we get in cities.
But
What's your
cities
opinion
also
about that?
there. No? But cities also available in their facilities.
I'm agree with you, but it's not about the facilities and financial problem. There are also many opportunities about you can have business types. You can have many job right now in village. Everything have the city have that thing also have in village. You can have opportunity of job. You can have opportunity of nursing and doctors, and you can become something what you want to right now. There are not old version of village.
No, I don't think so. Sorry, dear, I don't think so. These type of villages nearby me. But I want to say one thing. Yes, village grow food, but without progress, life will become a signet, right?
Right, but can
Cities,
I tell you?
yeah. Tell me. I complete first my thing. Cities give us the technology, career, and development. And yeah, right, you are I completely agree with you. Village is more important, but successful life for village is more effective. Peace is not alone is not peace alone is not enough. We have to cities are more than I am actually I want to say that cities villages are is more important, but more than as cities is more effective, because the cities are they are they are centers of growth innovation, right? That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, yes, I know that, but nowadays it's in village also there are growth. There are everything where we can people do everything what they want to do. They want to become. They want to study on, and they can live like they want to. It's not about that. Yeah, I know many villages are not growth, but most of them is growth. Have them growth, and there are many places that don't have growth in villages. I agree with you, but it is the point that I can tell you, village have a growth point. Like our village is a growth in growth right now.
Yeah, yeah, right. But I want to say these poor villages. Tell me one thing. Where someone is sick of falling sick, where do they go? To city hospital? And for higher education, where do studies go? To city universities? Cities are the centers of growth and innovation, right? Maybe I agree complete that agree that villages is more important, but cities is more effective more than.
Hina is speechless now.
Yeah, I know that. Hear me. Hello.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Your voice is not coming. Hello.
I'm audible?
I know that, but yes, I do. You do.
Yeah.
May I tell you one thing? In cities, you need full financial that you can study in a good colleges or school. You have to live there where you can live, but you have to be financial. You have to be fond of financial that you can make it life better. But in villages, you can be someone's. You can take someone's house on rent, and you can study from there also. It's not about the financial, and there is a one thing that relationship is like stronger border, and neighbors can help each other, but in cities though they don't help them. Sometimes they don't help them each other. They don't think that we have to help each other. I can tell you that.
No, I don't think so. That same. I don't
What's
think
your
so
point
that.
about that?
I don't think so that villages are each other and help each other. Also, there are cities now. Everyone help each other, right? I don't.
Yeah,
I don't. I want to talk about the. I want to talk about the poor villages, not modern villages. This debate are poor villages. You have to tell me a city's life.
can I tell you, if you are in village, if you grow up, if you will be something in your life, then you can help that poor villages with your own abilities. You can do business, you can help them. How you can help them? Try to help them, not to show them it's a poor. You have to help them with financial and everything that they need.
Okay.
Yeah, you are. I
Okay.
just a minute, sir. Just a minute. I conclude the last point. My opponent faces of simplicity of villages, but simplicity of villages without is a limitation, right? Cities places are the where become a dream reality, right? And the where education and technology and career. I I completely agree with you. That village give us food, but cities is
Ji,
nation growth. Yeah, I complete. First, let me complete. Cities a nation progress. That's why cities life is more than better in today's world. And last one is thing. Um, villages may feed the nation, but cities lead the nation. And cities are just not a places to live. They are places to grow. With these words, I conclude my debate. Thank you so much.
Okay, great, माशाल्लाह बेटी, शाबाश. अच्छा है, दोनों बच्चे देखे अच्छा बोले हैं जी. Okay, बेटे हिना वेट, आप लोग जरा थोड़ा सा कैमरा ऑन ही रखिए 1-2 मिनट. रजिया यू प्लीज कम बैक बेटी. Now Saddam Qureshi also show your face. Invite Ruqayya Fatima. Ruqayya.
Assalamualaikum guys. Today I wanna share with you all my journey with my sir and this online class. It has now been 8 months since I joined the sir online English speaking classes. Even the course itself has originally designed for 6 months. I had already received my certificate. Yeah, I had already received my certificate. Yet I chose to continue because sir's teaching style was so inspiring and impactful that leaving his guidance midway felt impossible. What makes him truly exceptional is not only his unique way of teaching, but also his kindness. No matter how weak our students may be, sir never lets anyone to feel discouraged. Instead, he always uh, constantly uplifts and motivates us, making us believe in our potential. When I first joined the batch, I hardly knew anything. But Alhamdulillah, after learning from him, have made a, uh, I have made a remarkable progress in speaking English. Uh, Something I can genuinely feel within myself. Along with English, sir also trained us in communication skills such as handling real life situations, uh, problem solving, storytelling, and improving accent fluency, asking meaningful questions, and much more. These lessons didn't just uh, improve my language, but also boosted my confidence. Today, I can speak to anyone without hesitation, and that is entirely because of him. And now as this class is coming to an end, and I feel truly sad that I will no longer get the same learning regular experience with him. Yet, inshallah, I will always remember Zakaria sir as a journey. I would also like to say this is the best platform for learning English and communication skills. Whoever joins will surely gain more than they expect. I know I wanna say some ashar about our Ustad Muazzam in Urdu.
Please.
सबक पढ़कर सबक पढ़ाना बहुत आसान होता है. सबक पढ़कर सबक पढ़ाना बहुत आसान होता है. जो दिल से दिल जलाता है उसे उस्ताद कहते हैं. And thank you so much, sir, for making me capable of what I'm today.
Amazing, mashallah. You spoke amazingly, mashallah. Ruqayya sister. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, invite Juwaria.
A good teacher doesn't just teach subjects, they inspire curiosity, ignite passion, and shape futures. Respected sir and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Juwaria Fatima. Today I am here to share my experience and opinion about this amazing platform. I have been attending the Creators classes for 8 months and it's been an incredible experience. Sir's teaching style is an interesting and the students are very friendly and it is a comfortable environment to learn English. We learn grammar, vocabulary and the pronunciation. I am very lucky to have such a great teacher. What I appreciate most about the Zakaria sir is he encourages each student to participate and share thoughts and it builds confidence in speaking English. Every student gets to practice speaking and interacting with others. Zakaria sir is an outstanding teacher and I highly recommend his classes to anyone who is looking to improve their English skills. Thank you. Jazakallah khaira fi dunya wal akhirah, sir.
Ameen. Great, beta.
For making
Acha bete. Shabash. Mashallah. Yes, anybody? Okay, invite Faranjum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, please.
First of all, thank you, sir. Thank you. I want to thanks Allah for giving me teacher like you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. Sir, I wanted to give you some feedback. Your classes are always very engaging and I appreciate how much you care about your students programs. You never let go of the hands of your weak students. Sir, I have told you this before. Are you remember that? Sir, I really appreciate your teaching style. You make learning fun and easy. I always look forward to your class. Your lesson are very helpful. Sir, about their teaching style, I love how you explain different difficult topics you break them down so well. Sir, you say इसमें तो कुछ रखा ही नहीं है, ये तो बड़ा इजी है, आसानी से आ जाएगा. You break them down so well. Thank you for helping me understand. I was struggling with it before. I feel comfortable asking question. You always motivate me and all students to do my best. Thank you for that, sir. Sir, you know, I start very zero level. So your appreciate your hard work. So I speak. And sir, you always appreciate. So I think my journey now.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Jazakallah Gudiya. Shukran. Tahmina, please. अरे भाई साहब आर्टिकल पढ़ाएंगे सही. Okay. Walaikum assalam.
I feel proud that I was your student for 6 months, sir. In this course, I not only learned English but also learned how to speak with confidence. Before, I don't know how to speak anything. You always told us not to fear mistakes and give me courage. The way you taught us step by step and motivated us every day made learning very easy. For this month, very special for me because your classes improved my my knowledge is everything, sir. And I want to apologize you. I'm not sent it so many times homework, sir. That's also. And I am very for thankful for your hard work and care for us.
Okay. Jazakallah Gudiya. Okay. Invite Jasmina.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Allah who blessed me a teacher like Zakaria sir. And thank you, sir, so for everything your teaching will always remind with me. And I can say before joining the class, I was unable to speak everything, but now I am able to speak more. I talk with my kids in English every time. And if someone text me in WhatsApp in English, and every time I try to reply in English only. And someone has said that your in English writing skills are very impressive. And sir, Dawes sir teaches us. I'm very grateful, and the services are very satisfying. Then you can understand easily. And sir, what all sir taught us, I never forget as long as I live in this earth, and I never forget what all important topics sir has put in my mind, and all basic pieces sir has taught us, and for talking what all we needed, and what all I needed, and only we have to now only we have to get confidence, and only we have to get only we have to do practice only. And thank you for motivating us to do our best teacher. And I want to say I didn't learn only speaking in English from Zakaria sirs, and Zakaria sirs taught us. I have learned how to work hard and how to get success in our life. And Zakaria sirs every time motivated us and appreciated us, and then we got more confidence. And at last, I would like to say, I pray to Allah a lot for Zakaria sirs, and may Allah grant you long live, and may Allah grant you the ability to stay healthy.
Jazakumullah. Shukran Gudiya. Okay. Zainab.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Salam, please, beta.
Today I'm going to tell the experience of my this class before 6 months. I'm not able to speak English very fluently, and I'm not able to speak English and not understand English. I'm confused in tenses, etc. So now I'm able to speak English because of Zakaria sir. He is best teacher, and he's outstanding teacher, so I like his class too much. And he has two classes, online and offline. So I'm in online classes. He teaches very well, and every student get chance to speak in front of in the class. So I'm happy with this class, and thankful to God because he gave me so much good teacher. And I'm thankful to Zakaria sir that he teaches me English very well, and now I'm able to speak English very well because of Zakaria sir. Thank you.
Okay, buddy. Great, mashallah. Ji Hina.
Sir, can I say again?
What do you want to say? Okay, please.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to speak of my experience of Zakaria sir class, English class. That has made me very experienced, and I can speak with everyone. Right now I don't think about what to say and what not to say because of Zakaria sir. Zakaria sir had told us how we speak. We look at them first, how they speak. If they say yes, we can say another word how they speak. And first fun sorry our first thing is that we have to be confident. If we don't have confidence, we can't talk to someone else. We cannot talk to each other. We cannot explain how we want to talk, and we want to explain them what is the matter and what is the thing. And sir taught us what is gonna be in future. There are many things which people know, but we don't know about the like situation. We don't know how to create, we don't know how to tell them what is the main point of in that. So now we can explain, we can tell them it's the main point is that if we help them, they won't help. And if don't we don't know if they are good or bad or stranger people. Right now there are many people, they have family, but sometimes they have fights with them, but they don't know each other and family members. There are many people don't know, so if we help them, they will get back to us like a stranger. So we have to be careful with them. And it is the life saving, and it is the very motivational thing that we can if we want to give interview, we will definitely get a job. And it's because of Zakaya sir, and I'm really thankful to Zakaya sir and everyone's. It's not a class that we have to get straight. It's the class that fun to learn. It's all about Zakaya sir. I'm really thankful, and if someone wants to join this class, I will thankfully tell them please join. It's very much and it's very interesting to learn. Thank you everyone.
Okay, great, buddy. Mashallah. अच्छा है जी। हाँ भाई बच्चों, कल जो टॉपिक हमारे रह गए छोटे मोटे हुए जो रह गए हैं उसको पढ़ लेते हैं इंशाल्लाह। फिर उसके बाद हमारा अलविदाई दिन होगा, मतलब इस बैच का। बाकी तो मिलते ही रहेंगे, सही है नहीं? तो हाँ, कब होगा बस कल कल पढ़ा देता हूँ। आज व्हाट डेट इज टुडे? 26। कल वो पढ़ लेंगे आप, फिर 28 आ जाएगा छुट्टी। 28 से हमने अनाउंसमेंट डाल रखा ना उस बैच का। आपकी जगह दूसरे स्टूडेंट आने तैयार हैं। पता नहीं कौन किसकी सीट लेगा। हिना की सीट कौन लेगा, हसान की कौन लेगा, रुकैया की कौन सीट पे बैठेगा, सादिया की, राजिया की, जुवैरिया की सीट कौन लेगा, और जी अतिया की कौन लेगा, सद्दाम की कौन, पता नहीं कौन कौन बच्चे होंगे जो आप लोगों की सीटें छीन छीन के 6 महीने बैठेंगे उस पर। देखते हैं कौन कौन है वो। मुझे तो पता ही नहीं भी किसी के बारे में। अभी तो बस एडमिशन ही चल रहे हैं। ओके, अब बहरहाल उसमें यह है कि आप अपना जो एक दूसरे के पार्टनर हैं उनको आप बनाइए। और मैंने पहले ही बताया था, अब भी बता रहा हूँ, 1-2 दिन जो बाकी उनमें ही बताऊंगा। आपको अगर अपनी इस जर्नी को बाकी रखना है, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए मैंने कई ऑप्शन रख रखे हैं आप हजरात के लिए। ठीक है, जिसको ज़रूरत हो वो मुझसे आके अपना मशवरा कर लीजिएगा। कुछ लोगों ने फैसला कर भी लिया, अमल भी कर लिया माशाल्लाह, ठीक है। कुछ लोग अभी भी बाकी हैं, तो वो लोग सोच लीजिएगा, गौर करिए उन्हें क्या करना है। क्योंकि अंग्रेजी असल में देखो बाबू, अंग्रेजी कोई वैसी ही चीज़ नहीं है कि यूं ही आ जाएगी, पूरा समंदर है ना। मतलब आप ये सोचने लगे कि आपको बस वैसे ही आ रहा है बगैर मेहनत किए हुए, या बस यूं ही क्लास अटेंड कर ली और आ जाए, ऐसा नहीं है। इसके लिए थोड़ी सी मेहनत दरकार है, मेहनत रिक्वायर्ड है इसके लिए, वो आपको करनी पड़ेगी। तो आप में से अगर लगता हो किसी बच्चे को कि भाई मुझे लेवल अपना और बढ़ाना है मसलन, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए कुछ तरतीब हमने अलग बनाई है, वो आपको बता दिया जाएगा। मैंने वैसे ही बताया था उस वक्त। एक तो वो है कि आप में से वो बच्चा है को जो बोल ही नहीं पाता है, बिल्कुल इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन ही नहीं कर पाता, वो दो चार सेंटेंस बोल के कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कि सामने वाला क्या कह रहा, मुझे क्या कहना है। उसके लिए मैंने बताया था 50 डेज वाली क्लास है ये। दूसरे बच्चे वो थे जो एडवांस लेवल ही की क्लास चाहते हैं, तो उनको मैंने टाइमिंग बताई थी 6:30, उसमें आप ज्वाइन करिए। उनका भी लास्ट मंथ है अभी ये, 28 से समझो उनका भी लास्ट मंथ शुरू हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो मतलब ये दो ऑप्शन है आपके लिए। और अगर इससे भी नीचे का आपका लेवल है, फॉर एग्जांपल हैं कई बच्चे ऐसे आप में से जिनको अभी 1-2 महीना और वैसी ही क्लासों में भी जाना चाहिए, तो बहरहाल उनको भी चले जाना चाहिए। मतलब ये जो मैं मशवरा दे रहा हूँ, मैं इसलिए नहीं दे रहा कि भाई ये बच्चे जा रहे हैं इन्हें रोक लूँ, और इन्हें रोक के इनसे फ़ायदा उठा लूँ मैं, बेवजह वाली जो बातें होती हैं वो अपने यहाँ नहीं है बाबू, ये वाला सीन सीधी सीधी बात ये है, ठीक है। हाँ कई बच्चे उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया आपके क्लास में से, तो बहरहाल उसमें अ, आप लोगों के लिए जो बेहतर होगा मैं वही मशवरा दूंगा, ठीक है। मैं कभी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अपने मफाद के लिए, अपने फ़ायदे के लिए किसी बच्चे को मशवरा नहीं देता हूँ। अगर ऐसा होता तो मेरा वो बैच अब तक पूरा हो गया ही होता, मतलब अब भी पूरा ही हो गया वो जो 50 डेज वाला है, जितने बच्चे लेने थे, ठीक है। लेकिन ये कि मैं चाहता तो अब से बहुत दिन पहले हो जाता। जितने बच्चे उस बैच में हैं, 20, 22, 25 पता नहीं कितने देखने पड़ेंगे भाई, इतनी इतनी ही है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है। तो पता चला कि वो तो 2 दिन में ही भर जाते। वो कितने बच्चों को तो मैंने मना किया पर्सनली कि भाई आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, जब आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है तो क्यों ज्वाइन करोगे आप, सीधी सीधी बात। तो बहरहाल इससे आप लोगों को कुछ समझ में भी आ रहा होगा, वो क्या आ रहा होगा आप वो समझ रहे हैं। बहरहाल आप जो है मेहनत बढ़ाएं अच्छे से अपनी, और मेहनत करें। और देखो अंग्रेज़ी जब आपने इसमें कदम रखा है ना, तो दोस्त मैं यही बात कहूँगा आपसे कि आप जो है ना कदम पीछे मत हटाइए। आपने अगर कदम पीछे हटा लिया तो फिर मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो इसलिए आप अपने आप को पीछे मत हटाइए, आगे बढ़े तो बढ़े, पीछे नहीं हटना है, ठीक है। क्योंकि अगर अभी आप लोगों ने माशाल्लाह काफ़ी कुछ सीख लिया, आप सोचने लगे अरे चलो बाद में ज्वाइन कर लेंगे देखा जाएगा, फिर तो मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। आपने जो सीखा है अभी वो ताज़ा ताज़ा है सब, उसमें पॉलिशिंग की ज़रूरत है बस, है ना, थोड़ी सी मेहनत की ज़रूरत है, मज़ीद सुधार आ जाएगा। और देखो इसमें कुछ नहीं जाता है कि आदमी अगर चंद महीने और लगा ले तो पूरी ज़िंदगी फल खाता है ना उससे। भाई जो अभी दुश्वारी है, मुश्किल जो भी आ रही है किसी को, तो इस दुश्वारी का सामना करके पूरी ज़िंदगी फल तो खा रहा है उसका वो। तो आप वो सोचिए ना, इतना जो है आप लॉन्ग टर्म आपके पास एक ऐसी चीज़ आ जाएगी जिससे आप फ़ायदा उठाएंगे, ठीक है। तो इसलिए आप अच्छे से सीखो अंग्रेज़ी, और इसमें खूब बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लीजिए। और कोई किसी भी बच्चे को कहीं भी किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो, कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आए, तो आपके पास नंबर है, कोई मसला ही नहीं है, ठीक है। आप उसमें मालूम करिए, जो बात होगी इंशाल्लाह आपको बताई जाएगी। बाकी इंशाल्लाह कल मिलेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।